The UXLINK NFT meeting is now live. Like you can meet your NFT, which is the criteria for airdrop tokens withdrawal. So for those that have been farming this UXLINK, then the next thing you need to do now is to go meet the NFT and you'll be qualified for airdrop withdrawal, which I think the airdrop withdrawal is starting this month. So you have to do this. It's very important. So to qualify for the NFT meeting, they have some requirements that you need to meet up with, which I explained in my previous video. I told you what you need to do and how to qualify for this UXLink airdrop happening on OKX wallet. So now let me just go straight to the NFT meeting. So I'll just click on here. I've not met my, so we're gonna do this together and let's see what we have. So this is it, UXLink NFT and UXLink Airdrop. So you are getting NFT and you're also getting airdrop tokens. So NFT benefits 100% get UXLink Airdrop. I think that will not require vesting. Opportunity to get airdrop for UXLink Echo partners and airdrop 2049 partners. Voting rights on community governance. So when you meet this NFT, you have the opportunity to get subsequent airdrops that will be happening on this UXLink ecosystem. I think this is a blockchain token. So other project that will be listing or that will be building on this blockchain, they will also be doing airdrops. So just like Core and all of that, like Heist Network and all other ones that we did previously. So the opportunity you have now is not limited to the UXLink airdrop alone, but subsequent airdrops that will be happening on the UXLink ecosystem. So you have to take this seriously if you are yet to, and the you can still continue mining. We'll confirm that. I don't think the mining has stopped. Okay, let me just confirm first. So the voting rights and on community governance. So already meets. So this is the list of the NFT, which is called the Moon. Then we have already meet 28 persons have meted this. Switch network. You can meet on any of this network. Arbitrum based Ethereum. On which network is this? I don't know. Then the trust already meets. You can use Arbitrum based or Ethereum to meet this. And we have the friends. Over 14,000 people already meted this. And you can as well use Arbitrum base and Ethereum as gas fee to meet any of this. So the last one is the link NFT, and over 16,000 persons have meted this. So you can use Arbitrum to meet this as well. So they are saying, okay, let me just try. I've not meted any actually, so let me see if I qualify for any of this. So let me check this. Okay, wallet requirements of redeeming by. Okay, for this you have your wallet balance of UXUY token must be greater than 250 tokens, and your wallet, the external wallet that you connected must be greater than less than 5,000 USD. Okay, so let me check another one. The trust. Okay, this also, the wallet balance has to be greater than or less than USD. So I'm not qualified for this trust. So let me check for the friends and see which one. Okay, I qualified for this. Invite at least one friend. Wallet balance greater than or equals to 500 UXUY tokens. Wallet balance greater than the external wallet I connected, the balance should be greater than less than 100 USD. So I qualify to meet this friends airdrop, the friends NFT. Let me check the last one, which is the link. So this is how you check to confirm which one you can meet of the NFT. Okay, so I also qualify. So I'll just meet the second one. I think that one is higher than this because, of course, from what you are saying. So if you don't understand what I'm doing here, or what I'm trying to do, go watch the previous video. I will attach the link to this video. Check the description box or the comment section. Check the description box of this video. Watch it so you can know where we started from, and you can do the needful. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates. Join my Telegram community. The link is attached to the description box as well. Join my Telegram community. Turn on your notification bell as you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates. So let me just meet these friends, which is this third one. Let me click redeem. So you see the requirements that you have to fulfill before you be able to meet this NFT. So I'll just click on redeem. Okay, UX balance, and so they will charge me 500 UX UI out of what I've earned so far from the airdrop. And I'll just input my password. If you've registered on this, you should have created a password. If you are yet to, then check out the video so you know what to do. I'll just click on approve, and let's see what's gonna bring. And guys, you can as well subscribe to my YouTube membership for testnet alphas, the pin airdrop guide, so you can make more money. The more you know in this space, the higher you earn. So you learn and you earn. Airdrop, testnets, the pins, and all of that. Check the subscription link to my YouTube membership in the description box or the pin post in the comment section. Subscribe, be among the premium members for premium content. And you can as well reach out to me from Telegram for any of my paid services. You want to learn about cryptocurrency, you want to learn about cryptocurrency from the scratch, you want to get the list of potential coins to buy and hold for the bull run, or you want to learn about futures trading, join my Telegram community. On the pin post in the Telegram channel, you will see my WhatsApp contacts. You can hit me up on WhatsApp for business paid services. So every other airdrop questions should be dropped on the comment section, please. All right, so I'll just click on confirm. So I've redeemed successfully. That means I've minted this friends NFT. Let me check, and this is it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this is on the blockchain explorer. Okay, so it has been successfully minted. I can decide to add it to my wallet or leave it. Okay, this is the contract. So I can decide to add it to my wallet or just leave it. It's not really necessary. So the purpose of this NFT is to qualify for 100% airdrop withdrawal and other ecosystem opportunity. So I'll just go back to my balance and see. Okay, let me check if I can still meet more, because I'm seeing 2. I don't know if they meted they gave me the 2 at once or something. So let me just check. It's showing that I qualified to meet 2. Okay, so I just meted another one. Okay, the NFT are showing on my wallet already. I told you guys this is a wallet on its own, this UX wallet. So their ecosystem token is the UX UI token, and they also have NFTs. So take it serious. It's only it's happening on OKX wallet. So, and that's it. So I've minted 2 of these NFTs and it's now showing in my wallet. If I click on tokens, and I'll be able to see my airdrop tokens and what I have left. So I use the UXLINK tokens I've earned so far to meet these 2 NFTs, as well as using the Ethereum Arbitrum network. as gas fee to meet as well. So this is it. It's a wallet on its own, and this is my current balance. So if you are here to join this, take your position ASAP and meet your NFT to qualify. Check out the previous videos to see what you have. So this is their partner, Lido, France, Ether, Marinade, Finance, Steda. So airdrop opportunities, UXLINK Airdrop Bridge, Satori Finance, Habitation Finance, Izumi Finance, Mute.io. So this is going to be worth it, and it's a very potential airdrop. Take your position, take advantage if you are yet to. Join my Telegram community, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell. Chat me up on WhatsApp if you are interested in the list of coins to buy and hold. You want to learn about futures trading, you want to learn about crypto from the scratch, you want to skill up. Send me a WhatsApp message for any of my paid services. Subscribe to my YouTube membership for premium content, testnets, alphas, the pin airdrop guide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.